चलो चलो खाना खाने चलते हैं।
चलो चलो।
अरे रुको, मुझे भी ले लो।
You know, when I was in college, I always thought real success in sports or careers meant going abroad. Better facilities, better recognition, everything felt bigger.
Gone are those days, Pranav. Earlier, sports in India meant only cricket, but now every field is shining with champions.
Absolutely. Look at Neeraj Chopra, Olympic gold in javelin. Can you imagine? Javelin, not just cricket anymore. And in chess, Gukesh is competing with world grandmasters. He's putting India on the global chessboard, literally. Even women's sports are breaking barriers. Our women's cricket team is fierce, winning hearts and matches both. Swimming too. Indian swimmers are winning medals at the Asian Games. Something that once felt impossible is now reality.
From the Commonwealth to the Olympics, India is showing the world. We don't just participate, we dominate. Parents have understood the true meaning of holistic development of the child. It's not just about the marks. On the other hand, now the youth has become fitness freak, a lot of them.
और प्लीज हमारे पैरालंपिक्स के प्रतियोगिताओं को ना भूलें। मुरलीकांत पेटकर 50 मीटर गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट इन स्विमिंग इन 1960, देवेंद्र झाझरिया फॉर javelin, Mariyappan Thangavellu in men's high jump, as well as Deepa Malik in shot put won a silver black in 2004 and 2016. And recently, Avni Lekhra won a gold medal in shooting. Kumar Nitesh in badminton in Paris Games. ये तो सिर्फ कुछ है, लिस्ट बहुत लंबी है दोस्त।
Wow, and I thought I had to leave India to see global success. Looks like India's not just catching up, it's leading now.
Exactly, Aman. The world isn't the only stage anymore. India is the stage.
Then maybe it's time I rethink my identity too. Not from India, but for India.
Yes! हम किसी से कम नहीं, हम हैं यहाँ के सिकंदर।
तेरे मिट्टी मिट्टी में तेरा तेरे मिट्टी मिट्टी में तेरा खून, ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती बीच में तेरा जुनून। रे सुल्तान,
मैंने पहलवानी जरूर छोड़ी है पर लड़ना नहीं भूला।
चल मोड़ दे उसका पंजारा। आसमां चीरे अब सात समंदर भीरे, चल सात सुरों में कर दे ये ऐलान। हिम्मत है तो रोको और जुर्रत है तो बांधो, रे आज हवेली में रखती है जान। खून में तेरे मिट्टी मिट्टी में तेरा खून, खून में तेरे मिट्टी मिट्टी में तेरा खून, ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती बीच में तेरा जुनून। रे सुल्तान,
कोई तुम्हें तब तक नहीं हरा सकता जब तक तुम खुद से ना हार जाओ।
सीने में तेरे आग पानी आधी है, मेहनत की डोरी हौसलों से बांधी है। पर्वत की तू ही और तू ही पत्थर है, जो चाहे तू वो भी बन जाए। मेरी मर्जी है और पसीना और है तो दोनों पानी, पर मोड़ के रख दे दोनों
मोबाइल फोन पे गेम खेल रहे हैं। अरे रीयूनियन चल रहा है यार। गाइस, रीयूनियन चल रहा है ये, बीजीएमआई का वर्ल्ड कप नहीं।
वाह, 10 साल बाद मिलने आए हो और फोन का स्क्रीन देख रहे हो।
हम बस गेम चेक कर रहे थे, क्लासिक लाइन। क्या चेक कर रहे हो कि कितने लोनली हो गए हो? बच्चे तो बच्चे, बाप रे बाप। वाह, डैड भी गेमिंग के चक्कर में आ गए।
This is all dopamine chasing. Win a game, feel rewarded. Real world sometimes feels too slow, too quiet. And look at us. How can we even tell the younger ones to stop?
It's true. गेमिंग से एस्केप मिलता है उनको, बट ओवर टाइम रियल लाइफ इमोशंस डल हो जाते हैं।
हाँ, और जो 100 फ्रेंड्स ऑनलाइन है, उनमें से किसी को तुम्हारा असली बर्थडे भी याद नहीं होता। ट्रू, वी आर नॉट सेइंग गेमिंग इज रॉन्ग, बट ये ओवर करोगे तो कनेक्शन का गेम ओवर हो जाता है। ट्रू, ज्यादा स्क्रीन टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू कम पेशेंस, कम फोकस और कभी कभी ज्यादा एंजाइटी।
मतलब इमोशनल लैग कब आता है? जब फोन की बैटरी लो होती है।
ठीक है। ओके बाबा, गेम कभी और सही। आप लोग बार बार कहाँ मिलोगे?
गेम सेव हो सकता है, पर ये मोमेंट्स ऑटो डिलीट हो जाते हैं, सो चूज वाइसली।
कुठला रस्ता कुठली वळण कसला हा अंधार कसल्या भिंती कसलं घरट कसला हा संसार कापला
हाय अपेक्षा, हे घे नोट्स, मला पटकन लिहून दे.
लिहायचं कशाला? फोटो काढते मी, मोबाईल आहे की.
अगं बाळा, झोप आता, किती उशीर झालाय आणि सकाळी किती वाजता उठवायचं?
तू नको उठवूस मला, मी अलार्म लावलाय, मोबाईल आहे की. किती काम करतो माझा हा मोबाईल, तुझ्याशिवाय माझं काही कामच होत नाही.
चालून थकलं पाऊल आता थांबत मनात समज काही ऊन झालं झाड पाखराच सावली कुठच आज नाही वनव्याच्या ज्वालांनी घेरल्या दिशा ठिणग्यांनी सावल्या पेटल्या जशा जगन मरणाचा अवतार कुठला रस्ता कुठली वळण कसला हा अंधार कसल्या भिंती कसलं घरट कसला हा संसार कापला वारा बेभान सारका खाली थैमान सगळ्याच्या या वाटवरती दैवाचे विमान झालं बंद आता देवा बसला
आपला उपयोग करण्यासाठी आहे, आपल्याला गुलाम बनवण्यासाठी नाही. लाईक्स आणि फॉलोअर्सने आयुष्याचा मोजमाप होत नाही. खरे नातेच खरी किंमत सांगतात. फोन चार्ज होतो, पण आपण हळूहळू डिस्चार्ज होत जातो. मोबाईल बंद केल्यावर शांतता नाही, तर स्वातंत्र्य मिळतं.
अभिश्री, दैट्स हर, फुल यूनिफॉर्म, बिल्कुल रियल हीरो लुक. हाय ऑफिसर, बड़े स्मार्ट लग रहे हो. So Abhi, you got what you wanted, huh? How did you pull it off? I still remember your mom didn't let you go anywhere without 4 backup plans.
And now you are out there with guns and tanks. Total plot twist, bro.
Convincing them was a mission in itself.
What did they say when you told them you wanted to join the defense?
At first, complete silence. Baba didn't react. Ma started crying. They had dreams for me to be an engineer, settle down, live nearby.
Typical parents. Safety first, passion later.
Exactly. But I knew this wasn't just a dream. It was a calling. I told them, I don't want a job. I want to serve. I want to protect.
And then?
They were scared. Ma asked, "Tu zinda rahegi na?" I didn't have an answer. But I said, if I don't do this out of fear, what's the point of living safely?
Damn, that hits hard.
So, what changed their minds?
One day, Baba gave me his old radio, the one he used to hear war news. He said, if you are ready to fight for the nation, we should be ready to let you go. That was the moment.
They must be proud now.
They are, and scared still, but proud.
They should be. You are doing what most of us only talk about.
It's easy to complain about the country. It's much harder to serve it.
Serving the nation isn't just about wearing a uniform. It's about putting the country first, about comfort, fear, even life.
Real respect, man.
Makes you realize freedom isn't free. Someone's always paying the price. And we are lucky. It's someone like you, Abhi.
I am just one of many, and it isn't necessary to be in the defense to serve the nation. Every individual can do their bit, however small, even helping your community, teaching, creating awareness. Service has many forms.
At the end of the day, we all chase success. But those who serve the nation chase something bigger, honor. मुलगी शिकली प्रगती झाली. Among us, Kavya chose to be a teacher. Bold move, yaar.
Kavya, come on, tell us. What's it really like teaching Gen Z kids? Are they different?
Oh, they are something else. Children will always be children, but this generation, smarter, sharper. They question everything. They don't just accept, they look you in the eyes and ask why.
Wait, in our times, that would have been disobedience, right?
Exactly. Straightforward, sometimes arrogant, yes, can seem disrespectful at times, but it's not rebellion, it's curiosity, and honestly, that curiosity is beautiful.
So, they are smart, but hard to manage.
Hard? Maybe, but think about it. Education isn't just textbooks anymore, it's connected to the real world. They want relevance, application, context. They challenge ideas, push boundaries. And yes, it's sad sometimes seeing how respect for teachers has diluted.
You mean kids don't listen like before?
It's not just kids, parents too. Gone are the days when parents trusted the guru completely, handed over their kids in ashrams and let the teachers shape them. Nowadays, teachers can't even correct a child without backlash. Discipline is frowned upon.
That sounds tough.
डिसिप्लिन बिना पनिशमेंट इजी नहीं, पर अब इन्वेस्टमेंट पेशेंस में करना होगा. जैसे बैंक अकाउंट में स्लो डिपॉजिट्स इंटरेस्ट बनाते हैं, वैसे ही समझाने से बच्चों का कैरेक्टर ग्रो होता है.
It is, but there's so much opportunity too. Our children have access to avenues we never dreamt of. And teachers are still teachers, yeah? They give knowledge and life lessons. I mean, they deserve respect, always.
Under the RT Act 2009, corporal punishment was banned. और होना भी चाहिए. But reports कहते हैं, teachers feel double pressure. मार्क्स भी, मॉरल्स भी, काउंसलिंग भी, सब उन्हीं से एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है.
In Canada, punishments are replaced by therapy rooms and mindfulness break. लेकिन इंडिया में एक्सपेक्टेशन है.
हमारे टाइम पनिशमेंट का मतलब था नील डाउन और राइट I will not talk in class 100 times.
I feel technology can help. Gamified apps, AI tutors, personalized learning. लेकिन असली पढ़ाई तो वही है जहाँ टीचर्स का प्यार और स्टूडेंट्स का ट्रस्ट दोनों हो.
You see, children will always be children. This generation is bold, curious, sometimes stubborn, but they have so much potential. They are aware, creative, ready to take on the world. And if we guide them with patience and love, they will grow into responsible, compassionate humans.
So, respect for teachers is important, and so is believing in our children.
Exactly. Teachers give knowledge and encouragement, children give energy and hope. Together, there is no limit to what they can achieve.
राह दिखाए वो मुश्किल में ज्ञान की ज्योत जलाते हैं. सही गलत की दे पहचान, जीना हमको सिखाते हैं. ओ गुरु बिना है ज्ञान का, लोग यही बतलाते हैं. सींचा खुद माली ने वो फूल कहाँ मुरझाते हैं. दे जीवन को आकार गुरु, कर सपनों को साकार गुरु. धूल गुरु के चरणों की ये सुरभित चंदन है। हाथ जोड़ सब गुरुजनों का दिल से वंदन है।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया। आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
Sanya, tell me yaar, what made you pick psychology?
What do you mean? I wanted to.
I mean, तू तो वैसे भी इंटेलिजेंट थी।
और इंटेलिजेंस का साइकोलॉजी से क्या लेना देना? इमोशनल क्वोशंट इज इम्पोर्टेंट। तुम्हारी भी तो काउंसलिंग की थी ना स्कूल में, याद है? बताओ सबको।
अरे लीव इट यार।
क्या क्या बताओ बताओ।
Nothing. But seriously, my clinic is packed these days. And you know what's sad? Most of my clients are children. Children? Really? Yes. Past few years, cases have surged. I'm happy people are at least starting to be aware. But truth is, स्टिग्मा अभी भी बहुत ज्यादा है। लोग साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास आना वीकनेस समझते हैं।
सच है, कॉलेज के टाइम भी स्ट्रेस था, बट नाउ एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, स्क्रीन एडिक्शन, दे हैव बिकम एपिडेमिक्स एंड स्टिल वी डोंट टॉक ओपनली।
WHO reports say 1 in 7 teenagers today has a mental health disorder. But society still values six-pack abs more than a stress-free mind.
Exactly. In class, I see बच्चे जो होमवर्क से ज्यादा पैनिक अटैक्स लेते हैं। Earlier, children fell while playing and learned resilience. अब fall सिर्फ गेमिंग लेवल का होता है। A UNICEF survey said 50 million children in India suffer from mental health issues, but only 10% get proper help. And our budget for this? Just 0.05% of healthcare. Imagine.
हमारे टाइम का स्ट्रेस था पीटी टीचर की डांट या चौक का हिट। आजकल वाईफाई चला जाए तो लगता है ऑक्सीजन मास्क निकल गया।
Even in Canada, schools now have therapy dogs and wellness rooms. Stress is that high. India is walking on the same path, but we are not ready to accept it.
लाइफस्टाइल भी कल्प्रिट है। लेस प्ले, लेस नेचर, मोर स्क्रीन्स। अगर बच्चे 1 घंटा खुले आसमान के नीचे दौड़ लेते हैं, स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स नेचुरली ड्रॉप। ट्रेंड्स टेल ए स्टोरी। टीन से आई एम डिप्रेस्ड कैजुअली लाइक इट्स फैशन। बट रियल डिप्रेशन इज इनविजिबल। रील्स पर स्माइल करते हैं पर रियल लाइफ में रो रहे होते हैं।
Globally, mental wellness is booming as an industry, but in India, stigma slows everything. लोग दिमाग की बीमारी एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करना चाहते।
True. And remember, physical and mental health go hand in hand. आजकल 14-year-old स्कूटी लेके दूध लेने निकल जाते हैं, but playtime, exercise, discipline, all are missing. Without balance, the mind collapses.
Exactly. A child's mind is like an investment. Ignore it and it becomes bad debt. But early counseling, patience, support, they are like compound interest. They multiply.
I swear, I should make a movie, Dil Bechara 2, Mind Matters. Maybe then people will buy tickets to understand कि असली फिटनेस जिम के डंबल में नहीं, दिमाग के बैलेंस में है।
The biggest problem. People and parents don't accept that children can have psychological problems. They say, "छोटा है, क्या stress होगा?" But it's real. And when denial happens at home, children suffer quietly. Teachers often see the first signs, but without parents' acceptance, nothing works. Schools are ready to help, but families must reach out. So the real homework is not just for kids, it's for us. Parents, friends, society. Awareness, acceptance. Only then can our children truly grow.
कब तक ये दुनिया आंखों को नीचे सोती रहेगी तकिए के नीचे। जुबान पे ताले रखेंगे कब तक, खूंटी से ख्वाब बंधे रहेंगे कब तक। आवाज था अपने दिल को आजादियां
Good afternoon, parents. I hope you are enjoying the show. So I want you all to see the faces of our children who have done a fabulous job of UV Act. So children, I request you all to please come on the stage. So can we hear for them? Wonderful, fabulous UV Act they have done. Superb children, proud of you all. Children, please do your birdie action. Wonderful. Thank you, children. Thank you, parents. Please enjoy the show ahead.
माता की अपेक्षाएं बच्चों के लिए प्रेरणा भी बन सकती है और दबाव भी। कभी कभी यह दबाव इतना बढ़ जाता है कि बच्चे अपनी भावनाओं को व्यक्त ही नहीं कर पाते और अंदर ही अंदर सिमट जाते हैं। बच्चों की मनस्थिति को हल्के में न लें। मानसिक स्वास्थ्य भी उतना ही जरूरी है जितना कि शारीरिक। उन्हें सुने, उन्हें समझे, उन्हें खुश रहने और खिलने का मौका दे।
हम पागल नहीं है, हमारा दिमाग खराब है।
हम सर फिरे बिगड़े हुए ना अब है, पढ़ लो हमें हम तो बेताब है, हड्डी भी हम है और हम ही कबाब है। हम पागल नहीं है भैया, हमारा दिमाग खराब है। हम पागल नहीं है भैया, हमारा दिमाग खराब है। हमें देख के उठता यही सवाल है, काला है दाल में या काली दाल है, होते सभी सिक्कों की ये टकसाल है। हम पागल नहीं है भैया, हमारा दिमाग खराब है। हम पागल नहीं है भैया, हमारा दिमाग खराब है। Shut up!
अरे वाह, रीयूनियन के बीच में इलेक्शन रैली का बोनस शो मिल गया। लगता है पॉलिटिक्स हर जगह घुसाती है, चाहे वो स्कूल हो या शादी।
So, elections are around the corner again. Any predictions? Who's winning this time?
Oh no, not politics. If we start discussing politics at this reunion, we'll end up with a battlefield instead of a buffet.
Exactly. The moment people start talking politics, it becomes reaction more than discussion.
That's because everyone thinks politics is dirty. But tell me, is politics dirty, or have we made it so by staying away? The real issue is people trust headlines more than homework. Yes, some newsrooms exaggerate. Just like there are good and bad politicians, there are good and bad journalists too.
We blame leaders, but we are the ones who vote without reading manifestos, or worse, don't vote. Democracy doesn't end at the ballot box.
हो, आणि फक्त नेता तयार करायचे नाही, लोकांचे पण योगदान पाहिजे, योगदान.
Exactly. If there's garbage on the street, we post it online. But do we write to the municipal office or demand change in our locality? That's also politics, responsible politics.
In schools, we teach roles and responsibilities, and in civics, how democracy works. And in English, students are taught how to write to your municipal officer. But once we step out in real life, everything's forgotten.
Dear municipality, please fix my road before my car becomes a boat.
No, seriously. If something's wrong in your area, water, garbage, safety, write a letter, raise your voice. We have time to complain, but not to contribute.
Exactly. People post rants online, but won't take 2 minutes to write to their MLA or local media.
We need educated minds in governance, because a strong democracy isn't built by leaders, it's built by responsible citizens. And if the youth leads with clarity, honesty and love for the nation, then politics won't divide us, it will define us.
To the new India, where politics means participation, not polarization.
भारतवर्ष एक महान और समृद्ध सभ्यता रहा है। इसे कभी सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था और आज भी इसकी संस्कृति अद्वितीय है। हमारे देश ने कठिन समय का सामना किया, फिर भी यह और मजबूत बनकर उभरा। आज हमारे नेता और नागरिक मिलकर देश के विकास के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। अब हमारा देश आत्मनिर्भर बन रहा है। हमारे किसान मेहनती है जो पूरे देश को अन्न प्रदान करते हैं। सरकार और समाज मिलकर किसानों के जीवन को बेहतर बनाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। महंगाई को नियंत्रित करने के लिए अनेक योजनाएं चलाई जा रही है। हर नागरिक देश की प्रगति में अपना योगदान दे रहा है। आज भारत में अवसर बढ़ रहे हैं और जीवन स्तर सुधर रहा है। हमारा देश चुनौतियों को अवसर में बदल रहा है। लोग आज भी अपने सफर और जीवन में सादगी और साझा भावना बनाए रखते हैं। अब देश भर में सुविधाएं बेहतर हो रही है और लोगों का जीवन सुगम बन रहा है।
आसमां में खिलकर सूरज निकल रहा है। देखो आसमां में खिलकर सूरज निकल रहा है। देश का परचम अब ऊंचा उड़ रहा है। बरसों का अंधेरा रोशन हो रहा है। गरीब की रसोई से धुआं हट रहा है। मेरा देश मेरा देश मेरा देश, मेरा देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। मेरा देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। मेरा देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। युवाओं के हाथों से भारत संवर रहा है। गांव की सड़क से अब शहर जुड़ रहा है। मेरा देश मेरा देश मेरा देश, मेरा देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। मेरा देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। मेरा देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। मेरा देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है।
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में एमए या लंदन में एमबीए। सो क्या करोगे?
You know, sometimes I wonder why so many of our youth dream only of going abroad for work.
True, but isn't it strange, especially when India has produced legends like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? He didn't just dream of missiles, he dreamed of a stronger India.
Exactly. Or Shakuntala Devi, the human computer. She didn't need Silicon Valley to prove her brilliance.
And what about Anandibai Joshi, first Indian woman doctor? She broke barriers at a time when women weren't even allowed to step out freely. She proved determination can change society and went abroad to learn, but came back to serve. That's power.
We admire foreign system, but don't forget Verghese Kurian, who made India the largest milk producer in the world, with no imported tech, just vision and will. And Swami Vivekananda, he didn't go abroad for comfort. He went to remind the world who we are.
Being one of the oldest civilizations of the world, India has contributed enormously to the world. And now, everyone's just lining up for the next visa slot.
दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई देता न दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था सभ्यता जहां पहले आई सभ्यता जहां पहले आई पहले जन्मी है जहां पे कला अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा यूं आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया भगवान करे ये और बढ़े बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले
So parents, once again, you have witnessed a wonderful, fabulous UV act. Can we hear for them once again? Wonderful. So now I want parents to you all to see the faces of our children who have done this wonderful, wonderful UV act. Let's hear for them. Very good children. Parents, please enjoy the show ahead.
It's not wrong to go abroad, but it's wrong to think we have nothing worth staying for.
Yes, why does brain drain feels like the norm? Why not a brain gain right here on our soil?
Imagine if our best coders stayed here, our best doctors built rural hospitals, our best designers solved Indian problems with Indian answers. If they contribute their skills here in India, we can become a superpower in no time.
A nation doesn't become worth staying in by chance. It becomes worth staying in when its people choose to stay, to build and to believe.
हम सबसे आगे हैं आम्ही होणार आहोत आम्ही सर्वात पुढे आहोत
सर्वतोश्रेष्ठं भारतम्
झीले तू झीले ये देश तेरा अपना है
ಕನಸಿನ ನನ್ನ ಭಾರತ ಈ ಜಗದ ಸ್ವರ್ಗತಾನೆ
நாம் தானே இந்தியர்கள் நம் ஒவ்வொரு அணுவிலும் இருக்கும் நம் நாடு
ಬನ್ನಿ ವಾನಂ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಡು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯಂ ನಿಂದೆ அடுத்தல்லோ
कोणिया मानदे नाना जाती नाना बेद कोणी माने नाही कोणू खे हिंदुस्तानी तू हिंदुस्तानी तू हिंदुस्तानी तू हिंदुस्तानी तू You are India, I am India, we are India इंडिया সব বদলাবো তুমি আমি পথে যে পাবো তোমাকে জানি बंगाल हो या हो पंजाब हम सबकी एक ही पहचान है
अडवू शकेल जी आपल्याला अशुभिंत अजून नाही कुठे
देश बिचारे वातो थाय जोश भरियो दरियो छलकाए जब धर्म भूलिया मेरे देश लागी दबा जीवन चाहे जे होस तिम्रो भाषा चाहे जे होस तिम्रो धर्म लोकाనికి వెలుగురా నువ్వు ప్రగతికి గుర్తురా నీ సత్తా చాటరా मिथिलावासी जी हम भारतवासी जी हम मिथिलावासी जी हम हिंदुस्तानी जी हम केसरिया बोल में आवसा पधारो हमारे देश देश रे पधारो हमारे देश पंजाबी और सिंधी गुजराती और मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा देखे दुनिया जो हिंदुस्तानी नो कर सकता नहीं कर हिंदुस्तानी जो You are India, I am India, we are India, we love India, alive India, alive India, alive, alive India.
I still can't believe how the day just flew by.
Who knew we'd go from teasing each other to debates and to childhood masti? It actually felt like we traveled back in time.
Seriously, it's been years since I felt this light. No phones buzzing, no deadlines, just us, like old times. I didn't realize how much I needed this. There's something magical about childhood friendships. No matter where life takes us, one conversation and we are right back to who we really are. You can't imagine how desperately I was waiting for this reunion. 3 cheers to our batch. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray.
चलो दोस्तों, before we go back to our cities, offices and daily routines, एक बार फिर वही अपना anthem हो जाए.
नंबर
छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन वो दिन तेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार सुन ले मेरे यार तेरा गम मेरी जान ऐसा अपना प्यार जान से भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे जान से भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे
Actually, friends, I was thinking, we have spent the whole day talking about what's wrong, what's need to change, but maybe the real takeaway is we can't stay on the sideline anymore.
Right. Rather than being observers, it's time we become participants, not just dreamers, but doers, using what we have, our work, our worlds, our lives, to help today's youth rise.
Agree, I shall begin. I pledge to use technology not just for convenience, but to create smart solutions that bridge the digital divide in India. While I laugh at the past, I will build for the future, smart, inclusive, and Indian at the heart.
I pledge to nurture the next generation with values, knowledge, and compassion. I will teach my students to respect their roots, question the world, and grow into responsible citizens of India.
I pledge to stay emotionally connected to my homeland and contribute through knowledge, investment, and advocacy. No matter the miles, India lives in my heart always.
I pledge to protect and preserve India's rich natural heritage. I will fight for clean air, water, and green spaces so future generations can breathe freely and proudly call India their home.
I pledge to promote Indian textiles, sustainable fashion, and cultural pride through my designs. I'll inspire the youth to wear India with confidence and conscience.
I pledge to build, innovate, and invest in India. I believe in a self-reliant Bharat powered by digital tools, local talent, and global ambition.
I pledge to break the stigma around mental health in India. I will listen, support, and educate because a healthy mind builds a stronger nation.
I pledge to uphold financial integrity and empower every Indian with the knowledge and access to grow their wealth wisely. A strong economy begins with informed citizens.
I pledge to speak truth to power and bring the real India to light. I will be the voice of the voiceless, upholding democracy through honest journalism.
I pledge to tell stories that reflect the soul of India, its humor, struggles, and spirit. Through cinema, I'll make people laugh, think, and believe in the idea of India.
I pledge to protect my nation with honor, discipline, and courage. Beyond the battlefield, I will inspire unity, resilience, and service among every Indian citizen.
Ta-dum 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 ta
ta, ta-dum ta-dum ta-da-dum ta. Ta-dum ta-dum ta-da-dum ta, ta-dum ta-dum ta-da-dum ta. सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे है साथी अखियां ने है सपने अंबरांदे ए सपने अंबरांदे बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे फिर ना समंदरा दे फिर ना समंदरा दे ऐसी ऐसे खड़े है जाना पड़े ना कम हमको तो ऐसी सजते आने जनूनी बड़े अगर कहना बोल एक जिंदड़ी मेरी सवाइशा एक एक मैं पूरी करा एक जिंदड़ी मेरी सवाइशा एक एक मैं पूरी करा एक जिंदड़ी मेरी सवाइशा मुश्किल हमें रोकना
अजनबी से यार बना जो मिलते ही एक रात में मांग ली मेरी जाक्रम वक्त ने पहली ही मुलाकात में जा तुझे देते अपनी जान हम सौगात में समझे जनाब अली दिल में अपने दिलदारी है खून में खातिरदारी है दिल में अपने दिलदारी है खून में खातिरदारी है चांद के झूमर के नीचे जश्न की फुल तैयारी है चांद के झूमर के नीचे जश्न की फुल तैयारी है दिल का पिंजरा है खुला आगे फिर इंशाअल्लाह आज राती तू रूमी यार तेरा ये बुल्ला चाहे जितनी हो रात काली हम बना दे उसको दिवाली समझे जनाबे 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 आली समझे जनाबे 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 आली खोल के अंग्रेजों वाली तुम पे थोड़ी सी कमाली जनाबे 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 आली
Great men said, gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from soul. Good afternoon to one and all present here, respected principal ma'am, esteemed dignitaries, teachers, parents, and my dear students. On behalf of Poddar International School CBSE Kalyan, I take the opportunity to put my gratitude into words, considering the occasion as an honor and privilege to extend the vote of thanks on this splendid occasion of our 11th annual day celebration. At the outset, I would like to thank our management for giving us an opportunity to organize our annual day for the academic year 25-26. I extend our gratitude to our special guests for gracing this occasion with their august presence. Thank you all for your prize time. A heartfelt thank goes to our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Jyoti Sharma, whose tireless efforts, Unwavering commitment and nurturing guidance has been the driving force behind every milestones our school achieves. Your constant encouragement motivates both staff and students to strive for excellence. Thank you, ma'am, for being the guiding light of our school. A special word of appreciation goes to all teachers who work tirelessly throughout the preparation of such a mega event. Your dedication reflects in every achievement we celebrate today. And I am witness to the efforts put in by everyone at every stage and guiding and motivating students throughout the practice sessions. Thank you, teachers, for the commendable job. I would like to thank our admin team, our support staff for making all the arrangement of this event and helping us in every possible way. A very big thank to our students, the star of this event. Your energy, creativity, and performances have filled this hall with joy and pride. Heartfelt thanks to all our students' volunteers for their dedicated support in managing and bringing the props on stage so smoothly. Last but not the least, I have also obligated to the parents present here. Your participation and suggestions always help in carrying out such an important event successfully. We sincerely appreciate your support and encouragement, parents. Our special thanks goes to the parent volunteers for their valuable support and cooperation, which have truly reflected a strong partnership. As we conclude today, let us carry forward the spirit of excellence, teamwork, and gratitude. Once again, thank you for being with us on this day and making it truly memorable. Thank you all.
Very good afternoon, parents. I hope you enjoyed today's show. Before we leave for the day, I would like to personally thank all the volunteers, my students, who had really worked tirelessly to ensure that this show today that you're watching is flawless, behind the scenes. May I call upon all my dear children who were the volunteers? Please come up on stage. Please come up. Yes. So these are the ones who had helped me day in and day out to ensure that my show was spot on today. Let us have a round of applause for them. Thank you so much. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. Yet another applaud goes to my IT department, all my teachers who are here, sitting here. I was genuinely very, very comfortable thinking that they are working behind the scenes. All the backdrops that you have seen, I hope they were very, very good, isn't it? They were all done by them only. So please a round of applause for them. They have really worked very, very, very hard to meet up the expectations that we have of Podas. Then I talk about my coordinators and my vice principal. They have genuinely looked over each and everything in minute detail so that this show today that you are enjoying is spick and span without any errors. So let us have a round of applause for them as well. Thank you so much, parents. And not to forget my teachers, all the in charges, my choreographer team. They have also worked very hard. Whenever we said, ye step mein maza nahi aa raha hai, they changed that step. My children who had the resilience to again do the steps and change the steps. Let us have a round of applause for my children as well. Thank you so much once again, parents. In charge teachers have really done a good work, and above all my admin department, yes, they were running around for minute details. Parents, one biggest thing, the entire script, I hope you loved it. Lot of values to learn, right? So this was the brainchild. We all sat together, my team of script writers. And they have written the script, done the minute nuances they worked upon, and brought a wonderful script in front of you to share with you the values, the morals that we all carry and we want our generations to carry. Thanks once again. Thank you. Yes, let me not forget my art department. All the UV acts that you saw, that was the work of my art department. All the props, everything from scratch to our expectations. And my PE teachers, my teachers sitting there for light, for everything backstage, each and everyone. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks, Ita.
Parents will have dispersal from the stage. So we'll disperse as per the announcements. Here is the dispersal slide. So first, I request P0 parents to please stand and come forward. P0, I request the volunteers to take their position, and if possible, the EPTA members also to assist us for the dispersal. P0 grade 10 A and B towards the right. P1 grade 5 C towards the left. Teachers,